Sri Shudra Dijabandhuna Trayina Suti Gochara. Tray means Vedas. Dealing with the three gunas, Trayunna Visaya Veda, in the Bhagavad Gita, Trayunna Visaya Veda, Tray. There are three subject matters in the Vedas. The first subject matter is to know God and what is my relationship with God. This is the first subject matter. Then, second subject matter is that what is the ultimate goal of life? And the third subject matter is how to attain it. To know God, my relationship with God, and what is my ultimate goal of life, and how to attain it. These three subject matters are very important. That is everywhere. Another subject matter is three, means Veda is dealing with this material world. There is spiritual knowledge in glance. Therefore, Vyasdev, after compiling all Vedic literatures, so many Puranas, so many Upanishads, Vedanta philosophy, and 4 Vedas, but you are not satisfied. You are not satisfied. So when Narad Muni, his spiritual master, came, he inquired that why you are not satisfied. So Vyasdev said, my dear sir, yes, as you say, I have done so many activities, I have written so many books, but still I don't feel any satisfaction. So I do not know why it is. You can direct me. You are my spiritual. So he said that you have labored so hard in writing so many books, but you have not glorified the Supreme Personality of God. Simply ordinary dealings with man to man, how to deal, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, to how to make people religious, how to develop economic position, how to satisfy senses, how to go to the heavenly planet to enjoy more. These things you have described. But you have not described about Jino Atma Samprasidati, by which your Atma, your soul will be satisfied. That you have done nothing. You have read in the first canto, Jugupsitam God. You are diverting the attention of the people to the dharma, artha, kama, moksha, never to the bhakti. Then, in future, if people are advised, come to the bhakti platform, not on the platform of the dharma, artha, kama, moksha, chatur varga, they will not take it. So, whatever you have done, it is not very good. Better simply try to explain about Bhagavan. And that is Bhagavad. That is Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam means Bhagavat. Bhagavat means the Supreme Lord, and Bhagavat means about Him, or about His devotees. That is Bhagavad. Because a devotee is called Bhagavad. This is book Bhagavad, and a devotee is person Bhagavad. So, according to our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's card, the Bhagavad should be studied from the person Bhagavad, not from the professional reciters, no. Therefore, Sarup Goswami, because when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was present, at Jagannath Puri, many people used to come, present so many literature, so many commentaries, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not hear them unless it is passed by Secretary Swarup Damodar. First of all, Swarup Damodar Goswami will see whether it is written properly, according to Siddhanta. Then we will allow. That was the business. So one Brahmin came. So there was many discrepancies in his writing. So Swarup Damodar chastised him that you do not know how to write, why you have attempted this. So he said, Bhagavat Parogiya Bhagavata Sthani. If you want to know about Bhagavat, Srimad Bhagavatam, then you study Srimad Bhagavatam from a person Bhagavatam, whose life is Bhagavat. From such person, if you read, if you understand Bhagavat, then you will benefit. It is not a scholarship, because you know Angvang, that is not the qualification. Bhagavat should be studied from the person whose life is Bhagavat. This is the instruction of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's personal secretary. So here it is said, Chap Sadhya. And what is that Sadhya? Tas Sadhya Dahana Munayo Jnana Vairaga Jiktaya. Pasyanti Atmanam Atmani Bhakta Sruta Grihitaya. Bhakta Sruta Grihitaya. You can realize, God realization is possible by a person who is faithful. Tasadadhana. And what is that faith? That faith is explained in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Saddha Sabdi Vishya Sudhira Nishcha. One who has been firmly convinced. What is that conviction? Krishna says, Sarvadharman Parittajya Mamekam Saranam Bhajam Aham Tva Sarva Papi Bhamam. One who has got firm faith in declaration that if I become devotee of Krishna, if I fully surrender to Krishna, then all perfection is there. This is called faith. This is called faith, not flickering faith. Let me adopt this Krishna consciousness movement, and when there is opportunity, let me go to some rascal who is appeared as Bhagavan. That kind of faith will not have. That will not have. Shraddha Shabdi Vishya Sudhiro Nishcho. That is Shraddha. Firm faith. It cannot be changed at any cost, at any circumstance. That is called firm. If that firm faith is not obtained, then we are still on the imperfection platform. But when there is firm faith, sadhya, now if anyone accepts that Pandu, these Pandavas, 5 brothers, son of Maharaj Pandu, they are very, very dear to Krishna. And they are as good or sometimes better than Krishna, because Lord Shiva authority, there are 12 authorities. Lord Shiva is one of the authorities. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu. Sambhu is authority. He says that Tasmat Parataranga Devi Tadiyana Maradhanam. Better worship. Krishna worship, Vishnu worship is good, but still better worship is to worship the Krishna Bhakta. Because he is very dear to Krishna. Kintu prabhujya priya eva tasya. Why spiritual master is very dear to Krishna? Because his only anxiety is how Krishna will be known all over the world. That's all. He has no ambition. palm ceiling fans. He only wants to know, only wants to see that everyone is devotee of Krishna and they are happy. Thank you very much.